Welcome to Mindzita, Tech Simplified Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to add GDPR compliance to your Shopify website. Let's begin. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Go to Apps. Search for Pandectes GDPR. Click on Install and install it. Now select the plan. Then click on Active the banner and activate it. Click on Open Theme Editor. Make sure the Pandectes core is enabled. Click on Save. Next, we have to enable the app embed. Now go to your website and refresh the page. You can see the cookie settings enabled on your website. If you want to customize the cookie bar, go to Customize. From here you can customize the behavior, style, and content. And that's it. GDPR compliance is now successfully added in Shopify. If you run into any issues to add GDPR compliance, contact us at info@mindzita.com. or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.